Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. First time back since last year. Just coming here to do a bit of cleaning up, a bit of tidying up and stuff. Today I'm also going to be putting down my onions that I've had growing indoors. So yeah, let's get it on. Just pulling out the weeds before I lay the fresh compost on. I'm going to be putting 3 onions next to each other in rows, just beneath the surface of the soil. Right, all the onions are now planted. These are the shallots starting with. Red sun, I believe these are called. And as we move further down, these ones are called red onions. Yeah, I got these from Wilco. And also these ones are called turbo. much for watching me doing my onions today. I had 3 different types of onions doing. I had the Charlottes here. I had the one that was red onion, and I've got the turbos down the ending. So hopefully I can give you a progress on how they go and keep showing you how they're getting on. Thank you very much. Live well, and together we grow.